Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iOS is updated and permissions are granted so the phone can use the front camera and sensors. Once done, set the device at eye level, roughly 50 to 70 cm from your face with even soft lighting. This improves tracking reliability. Then, open Settings, go to Accessibility, find eye tracking, and enable it. Run the quick calibration sequence now so the system learns your baseline gaze and reduces later drift. Now you'll complete the detailed calibration and personalization steps that matter most. Follow the 9-point calibration slowly, holding your head steady and directly focusing on each target so the model maps your gaze precisely. After calibration, customize sensitivity, dwell time, and cursor speed. These controls change how quickly the interface reacts to your eyes. Finally, create or enable app-specific profiles and test in a simple app like Notes or Safari to verify selection accuracy before moving on to more complex tasks. You're ready to use eye tracking for real tasks. Practice selecting by fixating to trigger a dwell click, then use optional blink to confirm gestures for precision. Make sure to verify accuracy across different lighting and angles, recalibrate whenever you move to a new environment or the system shows drift. If things go wrong, stop and check basic fixes. Clean the front lens, restart your iPhone, and confirm camera permissions. If problems persist, reset calibration and repeat the full setup. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.